Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert watermark into a Word document. But before you get started, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. But with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have a Word document open up here, and in case you are wondering, all this is a table that we did in our previous tutorial where I show you how you can insert a table into a document, and then another tutorial is also where I show you how you can insert borders into a page, right? So if you want to check those out, again, the link will be in the description. But like I said, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert a watermark into a document. Now, all I want you to do once you open up your Word document, all I want you to do is just come to design, click on this, open up this design tab right here. So now if you look into here, you can insert a watermark. Click on that. Now this option should be showing up, right? So if you want to insert any of this, you can just click on that and then it will appear. But if you want to create a custom watermark, maybe you want to add your own text, you can create on custom watermark. Now click on that. Now this option will show you can either insert a watermark as a text, or you can use a picture. So I'm going to show you how you can do both, right? I'm going to show you how you can insert a picture as a watermark, and then how you can insert text as a watermark. But first of all, we're starting with a text. So if you want to insert a text as a watermark, just click on text watermark, and then this option should be opening up, right? So in here, you can insert the text that you want. Let's just say I want to use Kandowa media, right? Kandowa media as my watermark. So you can change the font that you want. Let's just go with Caribri, which is, but if you want to use a different font, you can choose whatever font. The size, let's just use auto, and then the color, you can choose the color again. So I'm just going to use the color that is defaultly, so that it should wash out a little bit. Now the layout, how you want it to appear. Do you want it to go horizontally across, or do you want it diagonally from up to bottom right here? So I'm just going to keep it a diagonal, and then just click on apply. Right now, once you apply, you will see it's appearing right here. So now just close it off so that you can view it. Now you will see you got Kandowa media right there as your watermark, right? You add it, and then as you can see, if you scroll down, it's appearing on both pages automatically, right? You got Kandowa media right there, and as you can see, it's going diagonally from one corner to another. So if you wanted it to go horizontally from left to right, you can custom, and then here, and then just horizontally, and then click on OK, and then as you can see, it's now going from left to right. That's your watermark. So that's how you can set it. Just the setting is on there, right? So that's how you can add a text as your watermark, right? Now let's see how you can add a picture as your watermark, right? So now to add a picture, you can come into picture watermark, right? And then you can click on select picture right there. And then if it's you are off online, you can just click on work offline. If you don't have any internet, you want to use the picture that is on your computer, click on offline there, work offline, and then this tab should be opening up, right? So now you can choose whatever picture you want to use into from your computer. So I'm just going to go through my computer and trying to find a picture that I want to use. Kandowa media right here. So let's just use this Jobs Namibia logo, which is for one of our division here. So just click on there, insert. Now you got it right there. So if you want it to wash out, you can make sure you mark this so that it can be wash out like this text, right? And then the size, again, if you want it auto, you can increase it, but let's just keep it at auto, and then just click on apply, right? Now as you can see, if you cross it, you get that. So yeah, that's how you can insert a picture as your watermark. So again, it's wash out, and then if you don't want it to wash out, you can click on there and then unmark wash out, and then click on apply. Now as you can see, it's like that, but I would prefer you keep it at wash out. Keep it at wash out like that. Just click on A, and then it should be washed out, and then again it's appearing on both pages, right? Perfect. So you added your watermark right there. So yeah, That's how you add a watermark. I'll show you how you can add text as a watermark, and then how you can add a picture as your watermark. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed already, and please smash that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. We nearly uploaded to a new tutorial every Monday, Wednesday, and then Friday. So please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.